In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit like so many amazing vloggers. Seamless. Evan, where are you off to?
Off on a date.
Oh, a date. Fantastic. Flawless editing. Watch. Where did he go? Now, I've wanted to make one of these videos for so long. I'm going to take you through every step of my journey all the way there. 405 Frame Motor Trend and into the podcast studio where we record every Tuesday, except for today's Saturday, so it doesn't really. This will be neat because it's kind of like what we normally different, except kind of what we do sometimes when we're not doing the alter. Oh, my ride hasn't shown up yet. So what I'm going to do is show you around this area. Now, this area is interesting. It's not that area. It's a different, a little later. Now, the area that we're going to be in a little later is different than this one because it's not. It's the other one that's not even like this one. It's not even totally different, except for the fact that it's similar in some way. Now, I've been waiting my whole life to do this thing. Oh my! Well, actually, no. I just decided yesterday, but I've been waiting forever to do. I'm going to do it, and I want to take you around the place in which I'm not going to do it at the other place because it's like this. I don't like doing things that are similar because they're just like yesterday. And this vlog is all new every day. It's completely different. Let's do the thing that's not like what we're doing now. Ready? Now, the trick with editing these days is to edit really, really tight so every one is connected to the next one. No breaths in between because your audience has no patience. They need to know what's coming before it actually gets out of your word is seamlessly edited together so there's not a second to wait. The aesthetics are so important. Your environment means so much to your audience. You can find a beautiful, lush green tree. Do your best to stand under it. Like this. Now we're in the Jeep with Sean, and we're going to our studio. Notice there's not a single... Oh, this is exciting times right now. There is a moth inside of Sean's car. It was in here, now it's outside. Here we go. Just like that, we're here at Motor Trend in Il Segundo. This is where I would edit myself for like, if I screwed up a sentence, and I didn't whop it out right here, and it would sound weird. I would have edited that guy out right there, who's gardener way off in the distance, distracting me. If I screw something up, it's how you edit, just like TJ. And this is the part where we walk into the studio. Fascinating, isn't it? This is us. This is our studio. This is where we record specifically the podcast. The podcast has been on the air for 556 episodes, and it's fantastic. It's fun to listen to and informative. Never heard the Truck Show podcast? You should give it a try because sometimes annoying and obnoxious.